Myself Rashi Chaudhary, and today I am going to explain you op-amp. Okay, it stands for operational amplifier. So we can use it as an adder, subtractor, differentiator and integrator. Now first of all I will tell you how it works as an adder. So for this, first we will make our connections. We will connect V1 with 1, V2 with 2. Okay, similarly V3 is connected with 3, and here 6 is connected with 6, 7 is connected with 7, similarly 4 is connected with 4, and at last 5th is connected with 5th. Okay, now just see the table here. For taking the first reading, we will use V1 and V2 only. V1 is at 2 volt and V2 is at 3 volt. So we will remove this V3. Okay, now with the help of this multimeter, we will take the output reading. Output is here, A and B. Okay, now we will connect this B to B and this one to A. Okay, now we have to set this multimeter at 20 DC. So we will do here at 20. We will set this. Okay, now we will switch on this. Okay, it is coming 5.01, but it is coming in negative, so we have to change its polarity. We will exchange them so that our output will come in positive value. Okay, so see here it is coming 5.02. so we will write here experimental voltage is 5.02. we have taken first reading. Now for calculated output voltage, we will plus them. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 volt. Now for calculating the difference, we will do 5.02 minus 5. It will be 0.02. Okay, in similarly way, we will calculate our second reading. We will connect V1 to 2 volt and V3 with 4 volt. So V2 we will remove and we will connect V3, okay, with 4 volt. V3 is connected with 4 volt. Now we will see our reading. It is coming 6.19. So we will write here 6.19. Similarly, we will do our calculation. 4 plus 2 will be 6 volt, and here we will calculate our difference. 6.19 minus 6, 0.19. Similarly, we will calculate our third reading by setting V2 and V3. So we will remove this V1 and we will do on V2 and V3. Okay, it is coming 7.18. 7.18. So and 3 plus 4 equals to 7. So here 7.18 minus 7, 0.18. Okay, now for taking the last reading, we will connect 2, 3, 4. We will connect V1, V2 and V3. All we will connect. So V1 will be connected to 1 and V2 and V3 are already connected. Okay, now we will see in multimeter that the reading is coming 9.19. means our reading is increasing, that is coming accurate. So we will plus them and it will be 9. So 9.19 minus 9 by 0.19. So we have done here adder. Now we will do our further calculation. So our adder part is over.